More problems on Markov process. Next problem. The transition probability matrix of a Markov chain with two states 0 and 1 is given by matrix P is equal to 0.7, zero point 0.3, zero point 0.4, zero point 0.6. And suppose that the states 0 and 1 are initially equally likely. Find A P of 2, that is the probability distribution after two steps. Next, P of B, that is probability distribution after four steps. Now, in this problem, given the transition probability matrix is P is equal to 0. 0.7, 0. 0.3, 0. 0.4, 0. 0.6, the probability distribution after n step is P of n is equal to P of n minus 1 into P0. Now, using that formula, now first of all we can find the initial probability, given that the initial probability distribution is P of 0 is equal to 0.5 and 0.5 and 0.5. Now, first we can find the probability distribution after one step is P of 1, that is equal to P0 into P. P0 into P is 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.7, 0.3, 0.4, 0.6 is equal to 0.35, 0.45. Now, for first part is probability distribution after two steps. That is, we can put P of 2. P of 2 is P of 1 into P. That is 0.5, 0.5, 0.45 into 0.7, 0.3, 0.4, 0.6. That is equal to 0.565, 0.435. Now, probability distribution after three steps. That is P of 3. P of 3 is P of 2 into P of into P. That is 0.565, 0.455 into 0.7, 0.3, 0.4, 0.6 equal to 0.5695, 0.4305. Finally, we can find probability distribution after four steps. That is to find P4. P4 is equal to P3 into P. That is 0.5695, 0.9505 into 0.7, 0.3, 0.4, 0.6 equal to 0.5709, 0.4291. Next problem. The transition probability matrix of a Markovian chain is Xn, n is 1, 2, 3. With the three states 0, 1, 2 is P is equal to 3 by 4, 1 by 4, 0, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 0, 3 by 4, 1 by 4. With the initial distribution P of 0 is equal to 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Find probability of x3 equal to 1, x2 equal to 2, x1 equal to 1, x2 equal to 2. Now, in this problem, we can apply the Markovian property, that is equal to, you can write P of probability of x3 equal to 1, x2 equal to 2, x1 equal to 1, x0 equal to as probability of x3 equal to 1 given x2 equal to 2 into probability of x2 equal to 2 given x1 equal to 1 into probability of x1 equal to 1 given x0 equal to 2 into probability of x2 equal to 2. That is equal to P21 into P12 into P21 into P20. Now P21 is 1 by 4. P12 is 3 by P12 is P12 is 1 by 4. Next P21 1 by P21 1 by 4. P20 is this 1 by 3 equal 1 by 192. Next problem, if the transition probability of a Markov chain is P is equal to 0, 0, 1 by 1 by 2, find the steady state distribution of the Markov chain. Now, the steady state distribution of the Markov chain, we can use pi is equal to pi naught pi 1 and pi p equal to pi. Using that formula, we can solve the values of pi naught and pi. Pi naught is 1 by 3 and pi 1 is 2 by 3. Next problem, consider Markovian chain with the transition probability is P is equal to PQ QP. So as appear less than 1, P plus P equal to 1. Suppose that the initial probability distribution is P of 0 is equal to alpha 1 minus alpha. Find one, the probability distribution after one step. Second one, probability distribution after two steps. Third one, probability distribution after infinite number of steps. Probability distribution after one step is P1. P1 is P0 and P. After two step, probability distribution after two steps is P2. That is P2 into P1 into P. That is equal to P0 into P square. Probability distribution after infinite number of steps in the steady state case, we use pi p equal to pi and pi 1 plus pi 2 equal to 1 solving these two equations, we can get pi1 and pi2. Pi1 is 1 by 2 and pi2 is 1 by 2.